Welcome back to Crazy Biker, your one-stop destination for brutally honest, in-depth, and high-performance motorcycle reviews. Today, we're not just talking about a bike. We're talking about the resurrection of a legend. Yes, the Harley Davidson Flathead has officially launched in 2025, and it's already making waves in the motorcycle world. If you're a fan of retro vibes, raw torque, and mechanical beauty fused with modern engineering, this bike is going to hit you right in the feels. So buckle up, hit that like button, and subscribe for more legendary rides. Let's dive deep into the Harley Davidson Flathead 2025 full review. The legacy returns. A bit of history before we get into specs and performance. Let's take a quick moment to understand why the Flathead name holds such weight. Back in the 927 to SN 1930s, the Harley Davidson Flathead engine became a symbol of rugged American innovation. It wasn't the most powerful engine, but its simplicity, durability, and reliability made it an icon among riders, soldiers, and mechanics alike. The 2025 version pays homage to that golden age, not by copying it, but by reimagining it. This, the newborn, right there in the front seat of that car, with people sitting in it, not design, classic looks with modern touches. The Flathead 2025 doesn't just whisper vintage, it screams it. Teardrop-shaped fuel tank with throwback Harley badges, solo saddle seat stitched in classic tan leather. Heavy-duty fenders that hug the wheels just like the original side-mount license plate and retro-style taillight. But don't let that old-school vibe fool you. Underneath that nostalgic shell lies modern engineering. You get full LED lighting, a digital analog hybrid speedometer, USB charging, and Bluetooth in-depth controls. This bike is a time machine, futuristic inside, engine and performance a Flathead reinvented. Let's talk power. Harley didn't literally bring back the old Flathead engine. That would have been impractical. Instead, they created an air/oil-cooled V-twin that mimics the torque curve of the original Flathead but complies with 2025 emission and efficiency standards. Displacement, 1,247 cc max power, 75 HP max torque, 110 mAh at 3,000 RPM. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with assist/slipper clutch. The engine delivers raw low-end torque, perfect for cruising through small towns or highway glides. It's not built for top speed. It's built for soulful rides. Twist the throttle, and you'll feel the heartbeat of a motorcycle culture that refuses to die. Ride quality and suspension, modern comforts. The original Flathead was, well, bumpy, but the 2025 model is buttery smooth thanks to telescopic front forks with 49-inch MDM, hidden monoshock rear suspension cleverly tucked away under the seat, tubeless spoke wheels wrapped in fat, Dunlop widewall tires. You get the look of vintage, but the ride of a cruiser built in 2025. Whether you're riding solo or two-up, the suspension absorbs bumps and keeps the bike grounded. Cruising through back roads or city streets becomes an emotional journey rather than just a ride. Brakes and safety. Retro doesn't mean reckless. Harley knows nostalgia shouldn't come at the cost of safety. That's why the 2025 Flathead includes dual-channel ABS front, 300 mm disc with 4-piston caliper, rear, 280 mm disc with 2-piston caliper, optional traction control, and hill hold assist. This machine may look like it's from the past, but it's built for today's riders with safety at the forefront. Tech and features, hidden in plain sight. You won't find a giant screen or flashy tech, and that's on purpose. Harley focused on keeping the dashboard clean while integrating subtle modern features. Analog speedo with digital odometer, Bluetooth connectivity for calls, music, and turn-by-turn nav, keyless ignition, cruise control on the deluxe variant, ride modes, road/rain/vintage. They've made tech a background player, not the lead actor. It's there when you need it, but never steals attention from the real riding experience. Pricing, the USA in variants. The 2025 Flathead comes in 2 variants, Standard $16,999.00 USD. Deluxe, with added features and paint options, $19,499.00 USD. Considering the craftsmanship, brand legacy, and modern upgrades, the pricing is surprisingly fair. You're not just buying a bike. You're buying history reborn. Color options: vintage army green, glossy jet black, matte iron gray, classic maroon, red with gold pinstripes. Every color feels like it was picked straight out of a 1930s catalog, but painted with 2025 precision. Downsides: nothing's perfect. No review is complete without pointing out the flaws. It's not ideal for aggressive riders. This is a cruiser, not a sport bike. Limited storage options unless you add accessories. The bike weighs around 260 kg, not exactly light for beginners. Fuel economy is decent, ~1820 km/L, but don't expect miracles. Still, for someone who wants style, comfort, and heritage, these are trade-offs worth making. Who should buy it? The Flathead 2025 is not for everyone, but if you appreciate old-school design with modern tech, love long rides at cruising speeds, want a motorcycle that turns heads at every red light, are tired of plastic-covered clones, and want real metal, real soul, then the Flathead is built for you. Final thoughts: a masterpiece reimagined. In a world full of synthetic, soulless motorcycles, the 2025 Harley Davidson Flathead brings back emotion, elegance, and effort. It's more than a motorcycle. It's a moving tribute to a legacy, and Harley has managed to respect its past while building for the future. If you're thinking of buying a cruiser in 2025, test ride the Flathead. If nothing else, it will remind you why you fell in love with motorcycles in the first place. Outro. Thanks for tuning in to Crazy Biker. If you liked this deep dive review, don't forget to smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more epic motorcycle content. Until next time, keep riding, keep dreaming. This is Crazy Biker, signing off.